Have you ever wondered if there's an easier way to create stunning GUI applications in Java? Well, today, I'm about to reveal a game changer. Imagine effortlessly designing Java GUIs with Windows Builder in Eclipse. No more struggling with complex code or spending hours on tedious layouts. With Windows Builder, you can drag and drop components, customize styles, and instantly see your changes in real time. It's like having a magic wand for GUI design. So, if you're ready to take your Java applications to the next level, join me on this journey of simplicity and creativity. Let's unlock the power of Windows Builder together.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fantastic tutorial in store for all you Eclipse users out there. We'll be showing you how to install Windows Builder in Eclipse. Whether you're new to Eclipse or just looking to enhance your development skills, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. 1. What is Windows Builder? 2. Prerequisites for installation. 3. Installing Windows Builder in Eclipse. 4. Testing Windows Builder with a simple GUI project. 5. Tips and tricks for using Windows Builder effectively. Before we get started, let's briefly talk about what Windows Builder is. It's an Eclipse plugin that provides a powerful visual editor for designing Swing and SWT GUIs. With Windows Builder, you can create intuitive, user-friendly interfaces for your Java applications without writing code manually. It's a fantastic tool for saving time and effort during the GUI development process. Before we proceed, ensure that you have the following prerequisites in place. Eclipse IDE. You can download it from eclipse.org if you haven't already. A working Java development kit, JDK, installed on your system. Now let's move on to installing Windows Builder. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to Help and click Install New Software. Here, type the link given in the description. Here, select the Window Builder option and click Next. Click Finish and wait until Eclipse will prompt you to restart to apply the changes. For me, it took 5 minutes to show the pop-up. Click Restart Now. And there you go. You've successfully installed Window Builder in Eclipse. Now let's test our installation. We'll create a simple GUI project with Window Builder to see it in action. Inside your project, right-click on SRC folder. From the menu, click on New, choose Other, and select JFrame in Window Builder. Name your JFrame and click Finish. Now go to your Design tab. A visual editor will open up. You can now drag and drop components to design your GUI. It's that easy. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips and tricks to help you make the most of Windows Builder. 1. Explore the palette of components to speed up your GUI design. 2. Familiarize yourself with the property editor to customize component properties. 3. Remember to save your project regularly, as with any development work. And that's a wrap. You've now learned how to install Windows Builder in Eclipse and create a simple GUI project. Remember, Windows Builder is a fantastic tool for Java developers looking to design user-friendly interfaces with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!